Hello, guys. How are you? Welcome, everyone. Fausto Carnevale here. I hope that everything is fine. And I don't know if you're on holiday. Please let me know because in Italy, as you may know, or maybe if you are Italian, in August, everybody disappear. They're on holiday. They are on the beach, and so actually I'm also forced to work less in August, which is good because holidays are very important. In fact, next week will be on holiday, and I decided to do this quick video. We try to do the live every week, and maybe next week we will talk. So we will talk about another subject. So I have a news. So before starting the video of today, so at the end of the month we are doing we are making an improvement on our website. So if you maybe now you will go online, you type ESENtaxa.com, maybe you will see the website off from I think the 15th of August to the end of the month. What happened about the Impatriate regime? This is one question that I wanted to ask you. I want you to reply. Because people, I understand that you, before you will move to Italy, you are afraid that the Impatriate regime will expire in the meantime. I want to do a disclaimer. I don't know if the Impatriate regime, I'm not the government, so I don't know. I just can give you my opinion. And I am giving you my opinion based on the history, based on the data, based on the statistics. So the Impatriate regime, because I also made a guide, no, it's a regime, a tax regime made in almost 10 years ago, the first draft, and then it has been modified almost every year in order to clarify all the points. So, in my opinion, it will not disappear. I'm replaying you quite fast because, in fact, this live it will last 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So it won't expire. Why? Because if you see the data, if you see, we of course we have other guides that you don't have about the Impatriate regime. We also studied some guide made by other accountants in Italy about the Impatriate regime. We can assume that it won't expire because every year since 2014, 2000, since now, they changed the law every year to clarify and to make the regime more, uh, let me say in this way, understandable, easy to understand. So they don't try to they didn't try to cut the rules. They tried to make it easy, make it easier. That is why I think and I can state that it won't expire. Uh, it is not a regime that, because you may see our YouTube channel. I think it's 1 year and a half that we are doing video. We are specialized in the Impatriate regime, and you might think, okay, maybe it will expire then, no? Because it's a 1 year thing. It's a 1 year project, no? No, actually, it's a long project that the Italian authorities made at the beginning, because it's a good way to let you understand why the Italian government made this regime. Okay, first things, any country in the world do those things. First, if you think also Portugal, if you think any country, they try, of course, to attract people. But this is normal. This is the world. I mean, I don't know. Maybe in the States, in the United States, it's a little bit different. But we are specialized in Europe. In fact, when people then we have a lot of clients from United States, but we're specialized for the European market, no? But any country try to attract people. So when we did when the government, the Italian government, for the first time create this regime, was Impatriati, or they also named Reimpatriati, mean people who moved abroad and then they want to go back to Italy. Why they moved abroad? So this is the history, no? They moved abroad because, in Italy the salaries are low. Even me, in the very when I finished my studies, I had to move abroad because the salary in Italy was too low. I was when I was in the university, I was after university, I was earning, and it was already an internship well paid. I was earning 900 euro per month. 900. I remember I was scared. Okay, this is another video. Maybe I was afraid of breaking my car because I couldn't afford to pay. No, this is the truth of the people who have 25, 30 years old. Even they don't have money. That's why they move abroad. Now, for instance, now I don't move abroad because I have an online business. Everything is going differently. I can work from all over the world, but this is another story. So, at the beginning, the Italian government thought, if people are going abroad, why don't we do something to attract them to go back to Italy? Now, if you think that in Italy, I make this example, in Milan, a person after the university can get a salary of 1,500 euro per month, which is nothing. In Germany, they can make 2,500 per month, which is 1,000 more per month. They can live in a bigger house, etc., etc. So the Italian government thought, if we reduce the taxes, they can consider to go back to Italy because they will be able to, with the salary reduced for the Impatriate regime calculation, which I'm not explaining here, they will get almost the same. They can go back to Italy and have the same salary of Germany. This is almost the thing. Because we can say that in Belgium, Germany, the taxes are even higher sometimes. But if you think that the salary, the gross salary is even bigger, and so I mean, people move abroad because as employee in Italy, you don't have money. I mean, unless you I don't know, work for 20 years in a consultancy firm, you can make money. But that even then, you can you don't know, you don't even know, uh, you don't even know in Italy if you can make a good profit. So the tax regime won't expire. This regime won't expire. The only thing that let me finish the thing that I was saying. Since that the government did this, then they tried to amplify and to make it clear that even people who are from another country, they can use the Impatriate regime. So it won't expire. In my opinion, actually, it will only make it easier to understand. Now, you want to use the Impatriate regime? What you can do? You can go into description. We did a video course of 1 hour and 15 minutes, and you can check if you are eligible or not. Or you can have a consultation call with us, which we are doing. These prices will expire, I think, at the end of August. So I invite you to book as soon as possible. So you can be 100% sure to be eligible. Then if you need further support, we can also help you to open the VAT. Okay? So until next time, Fausto Carnevale, enjoy your staying in Italy.